Welcome to 19247 Coastal Shore Terrace, located in Webb Bexley, Land O'Lakes, Florida. This better-than-new two-story home offers 2,720 square feet in an open floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a bonus room, a 610 square foot 2-car garage with a third space for your golf cart, motorcycle, or workshop, and a covered, screened 11 by 16 foot lanai, all located on a prime waterfront home site in the gated, active adult Webb Bexley community. Prepare to be impressed with the extensive list of builder upgrades including gas tankless water heater, neutral decor, easy care tile floors in the main living spaces, and crown molding and plantation shutters throughout. Upon entry, you'll love the elegant French doors that open to your home office or den. The chef-inspired kitchen is equipped with KITCHENAID stainless appliances, including double convection wall ovens, natural gas 5-burner cooktop, and dishwasher, as well as an exhaust fan, French-style refrigerator, tile backsplash, task lights, an abundance of upgraded 42-inch wood cabinets with slide-out shelves and slow-close drawers, a large sink, an acre of quartz countertops, and an expansive island with additional base cabinets. You'll love the huge walk-in pantry adjacent to the built-in butler's pantry, complete with wine chiller, upper and lower storage, and a bar sink. The open floor plan blends the kitchen, living room, and dining room spaces. A triple pocket slider door opens completely out of the way, offering expanded living space and endless views of the pond. The first floor master bedroom boasts a huge walk-in closet and a luxurious bath with quartz counters, dual sinks, a linen closet, and a huge shower with a built-in bench. The laundry room features solid surface counters and a built-in laundry sink. A spacious additional first floor bedroom has an adjacent full bath with quartz counters, a walk-in shower, and easy clean frameless glass door. This Martin Ray Grand offers a large flex space on the second level with a 15 by 19 foot bonus room and separate bedroom, complete with a full bath and a double walk-in closet. This generous space is perfect for guests, grandkids, a hobby space, an additional home office, or anything that you can dream. Webb Bexley, Tampa's newest active adult community, features an attended gate, 489 acres of green space, ponds, walking and biking paths, and more. This golf cart friendly, low maintenance community offers residents the 14,000 square foot Meridian Clubhouse, complete with a full service bistro, a world-class gym stocked with a full range of hoist equipment, a movement room with a variety of yoga and aerobics classes, a ballroom with a fully equipped kitchen, a zero-entry resort-style heated pool, a heated resistance pool with scheduled aquastride classes, and a large hot tub. Additional amenities include lighted bocce, pickleball, and tennis courts. A full-time on-site lifestyle director arranges exercise classes, parties, art classes, and weekly food trucks. Men's and women's golf leagues play on nearby courses. Ask about the wide range of clubs within the community covering every interest. A dog park and community garden are coming soon. Webb Bexley is convenient to golf courses, great shopping, new medical facilities, and many restaurants. Come join the fun and see what everyone is talking about. Webb Bexley provides the active adult lifestyle of your dreams. 19247 Coastal Shore Terrace, your new home in Webb Bexley, Land O'Lakes, Florida. For more information, please call Linda Nowicki at 813-728-3880, email linda@insidetampahomes.com, or visit our website, www.insidetampahomes.com.